In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import leads into Pipedrive. Whether you're brand new to Pipedrive or just looking for a refresher, this guide will help you seamlessly bring your leads into your pipeline, ensuring that every potential opportunity is accounted for. Let's begin by getting you logged into your Pipedrive dashboard. Once you're there, shift your focus to the navigation bar. You'll need to locate the More button in the menu. This button is key because clicking on it will reveal a drop-down list brimming with additional options that Pipedrive offers beyond your regular navigation tools. From this drop-down, go ahead and click on Import Data. This feature is fundamentally important as it allows you to incorporate information from various external sources and effectively populate your Pipedrive with the right data. You'll then find yourself on a new screen prompting you to upload your spreadsheet. At this point, you'll select the file containing your leads. It's worth noting that Pipedrive is compatible with DEX, XLSX, and CSV formats, so be sure your spreadsheet is one of these types. Simply click on Upload Spreadsheet to initiate the process. After your spreadsheet is uploaded, there might be a need to fix fields. This step involves aligning your spreadsheet columns with Pipedrive's database columns. While Pipedrive generally does a commendable job of automapping, double-checking is a wise step to prevent any potential errors. Make sure to review and confirm that each column matches appropriately with what Pipedrive expects. Spending a bit of extra time here can save you from many headaches down the road. Once you're content with the alignment, move forward by clicking Next. This action takes you to the verge of finalizing your changes and getting your data ready for the merging process. Here, you'll encounter the Merge Data option. This is the final step before your new leads are officially imported into your pipeline. It ensures that Pipedrive synchronizes the new data with your existing records, effectively avoiding duplicates and preserving the integrity of your data. To proceed, click on Merge Data. Now comes the crucial part of starting the actual import. When you're ready, click on Start Import. Pipedrive will begin the process of integrating your new leads into its database. Depending on the size of your file, the import may take a few minutes. Once the import is complete, a confirmation will pop up, letting you know that everything has been successfully imported. And there you have it. You've successfully imported your leads into Pipedrive, ready to explore and manage potential business opportunities. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope you found this guide helpful.